Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Hope that you guys are all doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you the use of order by clause. So let's get going. First, let me explain you what order by clause means. Order by clause means it will show us some information in ascending or descending order. Let's just say I want to see all the names under this name column in ascending order. And for this I have to write SQL command as follows. First I have to type select, then I have to mention the columns names I want to see, in this case name, and let's just say there CGPA. Later I have to use from and have to denote table name, which is student details. Later have to type order by, and as I mentioned earlier, I want to see name in ascending order, so I have to type this column name, and later we have to use semicolon. So if you write this statement and run it, the SQL will show us all the names in ascending order by default. So let's see how it works. Alt plus enter. Okay, as you can see, the SQL showing us two columns, and from them the name column is in ascending order like B, J, M. So let me clear you one thing. For alphabetical order, ascending means A to Z, and for descending it means Z to A. And another thing, if it happens that our any two information have initial letter same, then the SQL will look for the second letter and try to figure out which one comes first in ascending or descending order. Let's just say we have two names of same initial, Barik and Bayezid. So from this BA, A is initial and Bayezid BI, A Barik name will be showed to us first and then Bayezid, as A comes first from I. Now let me show you descending order statement. Okay, for this let's just select all, and for all we have to select star, then hello from, table name, student information, later order by, and in this case I want to see city in descending order. So city we have to mention it DESC. For descending order we have to mention it, and for ascending order we don't have to mention anything, it will select by default. Sorry for this mistake. Okay, now you are good. Let's run this SQL, Alt plus enter. So as you can see, here we are seeing city's name in descending order, Sylhet, Rajshahi, Khulna, Jashore. And that's all in this video. I really hope that this video was helpful for you guys. So stay healthy, stay energetic, and goodbye.